Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video today, I will show you all leather miniskirts, designer leather miniskirts ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about trendy fashion about leather miniskirts. Leather miniskirts will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion about leather miniskirts, will change your look with zipper style miniskirts, side zipper style miniskirts, designer shirts, legging style skirts, short leather miniskirts, and matching shirts, t-shirts, printed shirts, net shirts, stretch shirts, deep neck, v-neck, shoulderless, backless, off-shoulder stretch style, and designer shirts ideas. My dear friends, if you like to follow in daily workouts, in clubs, parties, functions, night functions, events, and much more about all your festive events and moods. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, new trendy fashion about leather miniskirts ideas. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather miniskirts, legging style miniskirts, designer leather miniskirts ideas. My dear friends, thank you once again. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Salam to all of you. Pray with us. Bye bye.